All right, this is my 9.5 pound ham hollowed. Coming in with 12 ounces of green peas, half of a diced red onion, 1 cup of triple cheddar. Now I'm using half a pound of diced ham, and this ham did come out of our ham here to create our ham bowl. And now I've got my Duke's mayonnaise, and I'm putting in half a cup here. That looks great. Hey, what are you doing? Get down. We've got a house guest who cannot wait to eat this. I'm coming in with some ranch seasoning, which I'm gonna add to our Dukes, just about, about the same amount as you would get in a individual packet of ranch seasoning. Perfect. Now I've got some cooked bacon, which I'm gonna just chop up into smaller pieces and add to this. Now this is a beautiful and easy summer salad. It makes a great side dish to a barbecue. You don't have to do it in a ham bowl like we did, but we really like this as a presentation option. We think it's really fun. Of course, you can set this in like a 13x9 with some ice around it to keep it cool if you're having it outside. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt, not too much, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Ooh, and this smells amazing. Alrighty, I'm just gonna start tossing our salad here and mixing it right in our ham bowl. Like I said, now this is a beautiful, fun way to present this yummy summer salad. We like to bring it to, a family picnic, a get together. It's just so cool and refreshing. You just gently thaw those peas and then you mix all of this together. I love a summer salad with mayonnaise, pasta salads, anything like that. But this is fun because it's high protein and it'll keep you full all day long. Perfect for a picnic, a beach day, a pool day, or really any other summer gathering. Now I've just got some fresh dill, and I'm just gonna give a little bit of dill to the top here. It's gonna be a beautiful color to accentuate like our purple onions, our peas, our cheese in here, and also give it a really nice fresh flavor. I'm just getting myself a little bowl and bringing back in my salad hands. And now it's time to get a delicious taste of this ham salad. So simple, y'all. The freshness of the peas and the onions and that dill is just gonna make you feel totally light and energetic this summer. Wow, this is delicious. Y'all, you gotta try it. All right, off to the barbecue.